I'm here today with Joe Penner, also known as Mr. Guitar Man on the internet. Joe is known for making very creative videos, primarily on YouTube. What motivates you to do this, Joe?
It's fun, you know. It's something that it's creative. It's 100% of my creativity that's going out there. Because I used to do like commercials and music videos and stuff like that. And I used to be camera guy, so they would say, shoot that, you know. And sometimes I'd be like, but I don't want to shoot that, you know. So on YouTube I can make videos about phone books, and I can make videos with like parking meters or whatever the heck I want.
How do you think YouTube has changed since the partner program was introduced?
It used to be featuring on the front page, like, you know, if you made a video that was cool. That's why I did Guitar Impossible, you know. I was like, I'm going to put all my effort into one video, pray to God that it gets featured on the front page, and it kind of launches my channel again. And I did. I think now that partnership on YouTube is something that you look forward to, you know, because that kind of, you know, gives you more incentive to devote more time to it.
You're shooting your first national ad, is that right?
Yeah, I'm shooting a national commercial for a big company. They saw a video that I directed, and they were like, "Oh, that's interesting. Let's just copy that." And then somebody within the ad agency was like, "Let's just hire those guys to make that video for us." You know.
Now I want to know about your future.
My future.
What's the future of Mr. Guitar Man?
I know that there's a very limited time on YouTube. You know, you see people who were #1 like 2 or 3 years ago, and now they're not even close. Eventually, you know, if I have to, I'll move on to film and video, but I'll keep doing YouTube for as long as I can.
How would you make a song out of this?
Out of this?
Yes.
We'll actually have a fork right here. Are you ready?
Yes. But seriously, I think your work is wonderful and you're doing a great job.
Yeah, thanks very much.
You can check out Joe's videos at youtube.com/Mr. Guitar Man.